For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Elrond is a computerized symbolic that has fundamentally influenced the digital money market. This is nothing unexpected that individuals are keen on. Egld cost forecast. The upwards pattern began on 14 March when the coin was exchanging at $134, and the crypto pair has shown an enormous execution from that point forward by persistently covering the reach upwards. The cost came to $190 on March 23, 2022, which is the last month's undeniable level. The crypto market's bullish force is solid as Egld has acquired critical worth short-term. By and large, the cost pattern line is still downwards, however bulls have been keeping up with the cost level above $190 and take care of a reach upwards of $204 a couple of months prior. Breaking the cost over the $200 mental imprint is truly an achievement for Egld bulls in current negative business sectors. Each keen financial backer realizes that you need to think about the fate of a computerized resource prior to putting resources into it. Anyway, what does Elrond cryptographic money hold from now on? Is it a wise speculation? What will be its base cost and greatest cost from now on? These are a portion of the inquiries going through your brain. Indeed, you will track down every one of the responses here. The present Elrond cost is $48.23 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $58,877,409. Elrond is down 3.79% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 41, with a live market cap of $1,087,849,984. It has a coursing supply of 22,557,230 Egld coins and a maximum supply of 31,415,926 Egld coins. What is Elrond? Elrond came into the crypto market, altogether influencing the blockchain stage. Blockchain innovation has had an impact on what things are done today. It empowers a momentous shift from the conventional technique for making monetary exchanges and is presently the go-to framework for even a few conservatives in the monetary world who one time favored actual money in making exchanges. Elrond has taken the decentralized money framework related with blockchain to a more elevated level. In cryptones, Elrond blockchain is evaluated as setting the record of being the first blockchain on the planet with a veritable state sharding plan for pragmatic versatility, wiping out energy and computational waste while guaranteeing dispersed decency through a secure proof-of-stake (SPOS) agreement. Elrond's potential. Right now, Elrond Egld has recorded a flowing stock of 19,511,530 Egld, and the market capitalization of Elrond has arrived at $3,936,066,766.56. Elrond price prediction 2025 cost examination by CoinMarketCap. Elrond market cap historical investigation by CoinMarketCap. Experts and financial backers have been keen on Elrond, given the potential it shows and the outcomes it offers that would be useful as of now. Specialists have anticipated the fate of this computerized money from specialized examination. Allow us to take a gander at how this computerized resource will act in the short and long haul. Tips on putting resources into Elrond. Before you trade Elrond, you should think about certain elements. Elrond Egld might be a productive venture, yet you could cause misfortunes in the event that you don't take the smart actions. Guarantee that you don't contribute out of FOMO, impact, and unwarranted data. Additionally, guarantee to take care of your task and be happy with your discoveries prior to placing any sum into any digital money. On top of this, know how to bridle the moving normal to enter an exchange or wait. Elrond technical analysis. Elrond cost investigation for July 13, 2022, uncovers the market following incomplete negative development, getting some forward movement, meaning an increase of inspiration for the Egld market. The cost of Elrond has stayed negative throughout recent hours. On July 12, 2022, the cost crashed from $50.50 to $40. Be that as it may, the market began to increment in esteem before long and recovered the greater part of its worth. In addition, Elrond has stopped and reached $51.20, simply avoiding the $52 mark. Elrond cost investigation uncovers the market's unpredictability following a diminishing development, and that implies that the cost of Elrond is turning out to be less inclined to encounter variable change on one or the other limit. The market gives off an impression of being in a press. The Bollinger's Band's maximum breaking point is $60.90, filling in as Egld's most grounded opposition. Alternately, the lower furthest reaches of Bollinger's Band is at $46.50, which is the most significant help for Egld. The Egld/UST value seems, by all accounts, to be moving under the cost of the moving average, implying a negative development. The market's pattern appears to have shown negative elements over the most recent couple of days. Be that as it may, the market settled on a positive methodology as the cost began moving vertical, and the market began shutting its instability. This change might have assumed an essential part in the improvement of Elrond. In any case, the bears have figured out how to keep up with their pattern. Elrond cost examination shows the relative strength index, RSI, to be 43, connoting a steady digital money. This implies that the cryptographic money falls in the lower impartial locale. Besides, the RSI way appears to have moved to an upwards development. The rising RSI score implies the strength of purchasing movement. Elrond cost investigation uncovers the digital money pursues a vertical direction with much space for movement on the positive limit. In addition, the market's ongoing condition has all the earmarks of being following a positive methodology, as it shows the possibility to move to either bullish limit. The market shows a lot of space for positive developments. Elrond price prediction 2022. Elrond's cost is expected to tumble to somewhere around $97.27 in 2022. With a typical exchanging cost of $101.19, the Egld cost might go as high as $112.28. Elrond price prediction 2023. Elrond's cost is expected to tumble to no less than $142.96 in 2023. With a typical cost of $147 during 2023, the Elrond cost can go as high as $172.36. Elrond price prediction 2024. Elrond's cost is expected to tumble to something like $205.65 in 2024. With a typical figure cost of $211.53, the Egld cost could have a most extreme worth of $246.12. Elrond price prediction 2025. In 2025, the expense of one Elrond